Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Just MBA Things. This is the first video of our channel, and in this video we are going to learn the basics of Excel. So the first thing which we are going to discuss is what is a cell. So this small rectangular box which is getting highlighted is a cell. It is used to store data, any value, whether it is numeric or it is alphabet or character. Like if I write here 1, 2, any number, any character, so it will store everything. And every cell has a reference address. Like this cell has an unique reference address, this cell has an unique reference address. So if I write here good, so if this cell has an address that is E5 because it is in E column and in the 5th row, and that is reflected here in the name box. You can see here E5 is written. So this is a cell. This is all about cell. What is a range? A range is a combination of cells. It is a group of cells. Like if this is a range. If the moment we select more than one cell, it becomes a range. So for example, let's write something. Just MBA things. So this is the data we have. Let's drag it down and put some more data. So this is the data we have. So this is a range. So range also have a address. It has a reference address. So in order to find the address of range, we need to figure out the first cell and the last cell of range. So the first cell of range is this E7. I'm underline this, and the last will be this. So the reference address of this range will be the first cell, that is E7, is to the last cell, that is G12. Yeah, so you can see the whole data gets selected. So because we have written the correct reference address of this range. So this was all about range. How to insert and edit value. Yeah, so for that, let me write here you are a player. So now if I want to edit and I want to write here you are not a good player, so what I can do is I can simply click here in the formula bar and I can write here not, and my job is done. One more way is I can double click here and I can write here not. Still my job is done. But what I will suggest is that go to this cell and control F2. You will get right to edit in this cell, and you can write here not. This is more faster. So this was how we insert and edit value in a cell. Now how to copy, cut and paste. This is the important function of a cell in Excel, very important. So let's see. So this is the shortcut which we use to for copy, it is Ctrl plus C, for cut it is Ctrl plus X, and for paste it is Ctrl plus V. So let's see, let's say this is the data which we use Ctrl plus C and we copy this data. You can see that the cell gets highlighted. Now we want to paste it. We can paste it anywhere, any cell we want to paste. Let's say I want to paste it here. So I will click Ctrl plus V. It will get paste here. If I want to paste it in more than one cell, I can select the whole the number of cell in which I want to paste, and I can simply click Ctrl plus V. It will be pasted in all the cells. In the same way, let's see what happens if I paste the data after cut, that is Ctrl plus X. So here I will cut the data. I use Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X. Again data is highlighted, and I want to paste it here in the same column. See what happens. The data which were earlier here was deleted. So what happened in cut is that in cut we move the data from one place to another, and in copy we copy the data. We paste the data in different cells, but we don't move the actual data. We create a duplicate data of that. So guys, this was the first video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and in case of any queries or any suggestions, please give feedbacks in our comment box. Thank you and happy learning.